The big game. It was a sunny Saturday morning. The school was buzzing with excitement. Today was the big game. The students of Maple Elementary were ready for the annual soccer match against Pine School. Tom and his friends were on the Maple team. Tom was the captain. He wore a bright blue jersey. His best friend, Lily, was the goalkeeper. She wore gloves and was ready to stop any goals. The game started at 10 a.m. The whistle blew, and the players ran onto the field. Tom dribbled the ball and passed it to Lily. "Let's win," he shouted. The crowd cheered for Maple. Pine School played hard. Their players were fast and strong, but Tom and his team practiced every day. They worked together well. In the first half, the score was 1-1. Tom scored the first goal for Maple. At halftime, the coach gave advice. "Keep your eyes on the ball. Pass it to each other," he said. The players nodded and were ready for the second half. In the second half, the game was tough. Pine School scored another goal. The score was 2-1. Tom felt nervous but did not give up. He ran fast and found Lily. "We can do this," he said. With only 5 minutes left, Tom got the ball. He dribbled past two defenders and kicked it hard. The ball flew into the net. Goal! The score was now 2-2. The game ended in a tie. Both teams played well. Everyone cheered and clapped. Tom and Lily smiled. "Next year, we will win," they said together. The big game was a great day for all.